Amazon Air Duct and Dryer Vent Cleaning Norwalk. Amazon Air Duct Cleaning provides focused solutions for a clean, healthy, and safe indoor environment. Our courteous, highly skilled team has over 10 years of experience with. We service both commercial and residential clients. We're proud to provide the best in professional air duct cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, and chimney cleaning services. Our licensed, expert team of on-site and training managers has extensive combined experience in the field of indoor air quality and air duct cleaning. All of our technicians pass a strict certification process to ensure that each job is done with the utmost efficiency and professionalism. Customer satisfaction is given the highest priority. For more information, please visit our website, www.amazonairpro.com. Or contact us through phone, 203-557-7557. You can visit our office, 30 Hyatt Avenue, Norwalk, Connecticut 06850, United States. Amazon Air Duct and Dryer Vent Cleaning Norwalk.